Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a sheet in Excel. Let's get started. There are a variety of ways to insert sheets into your workbook, but let's focus on the simplest approach. For the quickest way to add a sheet in Excel, locate the plus symbol positioned at the lower end of your screen, adjacent to the last sheet tab. A single click on this icon in Excel will incorporate a new sheet into your workbook. You'll spot the new added sheet labeled as Sheet 1. Should you wish to relocate the sheet, effortlessly grab and move it by clicking and holding the mouse button to your desired location. There you have it. For further insights into deleting, renaming, hiding, or unhiding sheets, explore more on our video tutorials. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.